chicken leg convinced me I should do a video on this. So here's a nice little helpful tip for those who get stuck in this situation. And as you know, I do get stuck in some situations. Here's the deal. I am heading to a shipper. And you can go into the shipper from the left or the right, depending on, you know, if you're on a blind side or you want a sight side. Of course, I would like the sight side. But the road that was going to let me sight side, there's my truck back there. You see the hill I'm walking down? The ice that I'm slowly walking on? So I was going to come in. They wouldn't answer their phone. I tried 3 times to call them. They were busy, so the shipper didn't help. So I have two choices, and I guess I picked the wrong one. Now those set of tracks back there are working. But as you can see, there's a train that's been sitting here. And a homeless guy just walked by about 2 hours ago, and I asked how long. Well, first he needed $8. And then I said, well, with that information, I need, you know, with $8, you're gonna have to spot me so I can back up, try to get out of this spot. If this truck, he said they've been there 2 hours, or this train's been here 2 days. I'm like, well, and it ain't moving then. So I asked the guy, I said, well, yeah, I'll give you $8. Just spot me so I can back up the road. Well, it's about 1.5 inches of ice, snow and ice, and I'm empty because I'm going to pick up a load, and my fuel tanks are full. But even with the differentials locked in, no bueno. So my buddy Chicken Leg, who's an ex-cop, said, well, when you go to a train, if you got a situation on the train, there's a sign there, and it's probably backwards, but anyway, that sign right there gives you a phone number and tells you what the track intersection is. So I called them, and they found out the tracks way down are frozen to switch the tracks or something, and so this train is going to be sitting here a while. So then what do you do? Well, then I tried to get a hold of DOT local, and you can I Googled it, and I found 311, and I finally got somebody on the phone, and they said, you're not on a priority road, so DOT is not going to be out there to help you out for probably 2 days. Because I'm in Nashville, Tennessee, and it's more snow is expected. So I'm like, okay, well, that ain't going to happen. So when I originally called Breakdown at ATS, they said, hey, see what, you know, exhaust all avenues. We've got a lot of weather-related situations going on, so if you can save some money, then do so. Because obviously, if DOT could come out here and get me some salt down, maybe I could make it up. At the end of the day, ATS said, all right, you've exhausted all avenues. Do a macro 24. We'll get a tow truck sent out to pull you. So, you know, at the end of the day, it'll all work out. Kind of in a nice quiet street, but you know, there's no way to know. They should have closed this road off. But I'm downtown Nashville, and see that hill? As I was trying to back up, I was slowly sliding forward, so I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna sit right where I'm at. And got to meet a couple of nice homeless people. I can't afford to stay here all night, man. These homeless people aren't cheap. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. And that's how I'm getting out of it.